Marcello Bacciarelli was born 16th of February 1731, died 5th of January 1818. He was a Polish-Italian painter of the late Baroque and Neoclassic periods. In Warsaw, he painted a set of portraits depicting nearly all Polish kings, from Bolesław I the Brave to the last king of the Polish, Lithuanian Commonwealth, Stanisław II Augustus, who was also Bacciarelli's patron and admirer. He also made a portrait of Izabela Lubomirska in her wedding gown, that she commissioned years later after her marriage. Bacciarelli was also keen in painting culturally significant scenes from the history of Poland. Following the partitions of Poland and after Napoleon's rise to power, he moved to the Duchy of Warsaw, a client state of the First French Empire, and died in 1818.